How to stop all email notifications on Happn. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can stop all email notifications on Happn. For that, you'll have to open your web browser and go to happn.com. On the home page, click on the sign in button at the upper right corner of the screen. Make sure you are logged into your Happn account. On the home page at the left side, you will see the menu. From there, select My Profile. Click on Settings here. In the settings, you will see the section called Email Notifications. Click on it, and under it, you will see the list of specific topics for which you can receive email notifications. To each topic, there is a button to enable or disable the notification. Click on the button to disable the notification for a specific topic. If you want to stop all the notifications, scroll down to the end of the page. There you will see an option to stop all the notifications. Click on it. Don't forget to click on that confirm button to save the changes. After confirming, all the email notifications will be disabled and you will no longer receive them. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.